Bago nga inilabas ng koto yung tinatawag na gag order na yan, ay nanindigan si Chris Aquino na hindi siya, kundi ang kanyang dating asawang si James Yap, ang unang nagsiwalat sa publiko ng panibago nilang alitan. Sinabi rin ng TV host sa aktres na ang ginawa niya o ang ginagawa niya ay para maprotektahan ang kanilang anak na si Bimbi. Narito po ang pagtutok ni Jessica Soho.
Chris, una sa lahat, ano ba talaga ang nangyari noong December 3 last year?
James barged in. Pumasok sa kwarto ko. I'll emphasize that it was my bedroom. It was not the living room, it was not the den, it was my bedroom. Hindi ko na siya asawa. Pero when he went in, dinuro-duro niya ako at sinabi niya, ayan, inaayawan ako ng bata dahil sa kung ano-anong pinagsasasabi mo sa kanya. Tigilan mo na yan. And then, sumunod si Bim doon. And doon niya sinimulang pikunin yung bata na gusto niyang sabihin doon sa kid na, yan, because you don't want to hug me, you don't want to love me, you don't want to kiss me, I'm just gonna hug and kiss your mama. And inamin naman niya, Jessica, kinuha niya talaga yung braso ko, sinubukan niya akong halikan. Sinabi rin niya that it was our son who inserted himself between the two of us, and it was Bimbi who was telling him, get out, don't hurt my mom. Alalang-alala ko talagang sinabi niya sa akin, hoy, dapat nga magpasalamat ka, may gusto pang manlambing sa'yo. Uy, ang tanda mo na. Maswerte ka nga na pinapatulan pa kita. Jessica naman, sobrang nakaka-offend talaga because I didn't ask for it. That was my home. And you do that in front of my son? Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit gano'n na lang kababaw ang tingin niya sa babae. Yung sinasabi niyang threats na ginawa ko sa kanya, yes, I did threaten, but this was my threat. I said, I think you've forgotten may daily show ako. Do you really want your girlfriend to find out that you are here inside my bedroom trying to kiss me? Sabi ko, don't dare me, James, kasi sumusobra ka na talaga.
Sabi ni James, sinisiraan mo lang daw siya kay Bimbi dahil gusto mong mapalayo ang bata sa kanya. Anong reaction mo doon, Chris?
I think ang hindi nalalaman ng mga tao, after all the times na sinabi ni James na mahal niya, I want to ask him this. Ilang times mo bang kinita yung anak mo? From the time we were granted our annulment in early 2012, all the way until March of 2013, nakasaad doon sa agreement natin, you are allowed 104 times sa isang taon. Ito lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa kanya. Why did you see your son less than 30 times? Bakit? Kung talagang mahal na mahal mo yung bata, bakit hindi mo siya binigyan ng panahon? At bakit mo isisisi sa akin yung kapabayaan mo dun sa bata?
Sorry, Chris, here's more. Sinabi mo raw na baka nakalimutan mo 3 years pa yung brother ko. And isa pa, tignan mo nangyari sa mga ex ko. Wala ng career, isang iyak ko lang sa TV. These things came from him.
I think my sisters will be the best ones to answer those accusations.
Alam ni James yung pagtrato namin sa kanya, Jessica. Even nung start, kakasalin sila, we went to talk to James, kaming tatlo, at kay Chris. Maybe hindi pa dapat kayo mag-apura, but they went through with it. Pero kahit nangyari yon, I think we were very, very kind to her, to him. At alam ko meron siyang interview, siya mismo nagsasabi, mabait ang pamilya Aquino sa akin.
Chris, yung TPO, you petitioned the court na gawing permanent?
Jessica, diba, you file for that and you're granted the TPO. You don't really ask for a TPO. It's the permanent protection order that you ask for. My ate was with me when we filed. We did that last week, Friday, March 15. Tahimik. I was granted the TPO that same day. Again, tahimik. Hindi kami nagpa-press con. Jessica, I have a live daily show. If I wanted to go to town about it, ang dali-daling gawin. Pero ano ba talaga yung inisip ko? Sasabihin ng marami, di ba, na it's not like her to be quiet.
Chris, you said a while ago that you will give up your showbiz commitments just to be able to make sure that Bimbi's gonna be fine.
I owe this now to him. Kasi nakikita ko how much he's suffering and how much he needs me. Maybe I've reached that point also in my life that totoo pala yun eh. Magmamahal ka ng higit kaysa sarili mo pag naging nanay ka at pag naramdaman mo na kailangan ka ng anak mo.
His lawyer says this is all about the adoption papers na gusto mo raw papirmahan sa kanya, but in effect James would have to give up his rights over Bimbi. Your lawyer naman said, si Attorney Chavez said, in-insinuate niya kahapon that this probably is about money. In fact, he mentioned 14 million daw ang settlement. Well, his lawyer said to that na it's not so pleasant to be talking about money, but I hope you don't mind if I ask you.
In fact, pinagbawalan nila ako to talk about money.
Okay.
Because the issue is not about money. The issue is not about how much James got from us. The issue is also not about that I waived any support. Hindi ito tungkol sa pera. Hindi rin ito tungkol sa adoption. Paulit-ulit about the rights of James as a parent. What about the rights of my son? Hindi ba kasing halaga o hindi ba mas mahalaga ang karapatan ng bata?
With social media nowadays, Chris, and you yourself, you're very active sa Twitter, I understand. Everyone's interconnected, you're a public figure, and yet there are people who don't just get it, why this thing has to play out in public. Even if you're a public figure, ano masasabi mo doon?
I didn't make it public. I had 5 days. I kept quiet. Hindi ako yung unang nag-press con. Hindi ako yung nagpalaki nito. Sila yung gumawa nun.
Thank you very much, Chris. Thank you, Pinky, Bolsy, and Via.